One of my clients almost quit before he launched his product, and what happened next was the craziest story I think I've ever seen for an Amazon FBA seller. I first met James back in 2019, and he was in dire need of help. He told me that he was on his last shot to make the Amazon FBA business work after suffering 2 or 3 failed attempts at the hands of other products that were chosen while going through someone else's training. He flat out told me that if this product didn't work, he was going to quit. After putting in the hard work to research more products, learn about branding, and how to create his own niche, he finally chose his next product. It was a bit of a twist on what was available at the time, and something he was quite passionate about. We looked over the data together, and I told him I thought the product looked like it could be a good one, but he was still very hesitant. He kept asking me for my insight and recommendation, and I kept repeating that based on the data and what my experience on Amazon has been, that I agreed he should launch the product. He was nervous, but he finally did it. After the first month, he never regretted it. He was seeing sales and ranking on Amazon that he never experienced before. After the first 3 months, he was profitable and one of the top sellers in the niche. And then around the 2-year mark, he was actually selling so well, he was able to sell his brand for a 7-figure payday. The crazy thing is that he kept his job during the whole thing and even after. But he was able to make sure his wife no longer had to work, and that was a very happy day for their family. From almost quitting to getting a big payday in just 2 years. Now, is this the most likely scenario for anyone selling on Amazon? Definitely not. Most people fail because they don't know what they are doing or just get nervous and stop before ever trying. And can I guarantee that you'll succeed? Absolutely not. But the training is free. And if you've looked at this business model before, I bet you're going to see how this sets you up for success better than anything you've seen to date. Go ahead and click the link to reserve your spot.